Let's strip this of euphemisms. A system called ELITE, built by Palantir. Technologies and used by U.S. Immigration and Customs. Enforcement is being used to map neighborhoods, generate dossiers, assign probability scores, and plan enforcement operations against people living on U.S. soil. That is not speculation. That is how the system functions. ELITE stands for Enhanced Leads Identification and Targeting for Enforcement. Targeting, enforcement. It aggregates government and commercial data, builds individual dossiers, assigns confidence scores estimating where a person is likely to be, and displays this information on a map so agents can identify clusters of targets. This is not case management. This is area-based targeting. Traditional law enforcement is person-first, suspicion, evidence, process. ELITE is area-first, probability, efficiency, yield. That shift matters, because once you stop asking who and start asking where, innocent people become collateral by design. This is the same logic used in modern counterinsurgency, pattern of life analysis, probability instead of certainty, volume over accuracy. That logic has now come home. Everyone on U.S. soil is protected by the Constitution, the Fifth Amendment, the 14th Amendment, the Fourth Amendment. Due process is not optional. But ELITE undermines it in practice by relying on secret data sources, opaque confidence scores, and enforcement decisions that happen before meaningful challenge is possible. You cannot contest a score you never see. You cannot correct data you don't know was used. You cannot defend yourself against an algorithmic assumption. Dossier collapse error into authority. Outdated addresses, shared names, misattributed associations, once scored. They become operational truth. That is not a bug. That is the cost of probabilistic enforcement. This system exists in a political moment where power is expanding. Enforcement is weaponized and rights are treated as obstacles. And once normalized, this model does not stop with immigration. It migrates from immigration to policing, from policing to protest surveillance, from protest to political targeting, quietly, legally adjacent, technically compliant, substantively unconstitutional. A government that treats its residents as a battle space has already abandoned the rule of law. This is not radical. This is the architecture. Huracan speaks. At Honorleader, Substack.com.